I heard he's talking to devils. Or jinn. Actually, you choose. We'll do both.
Okay. I heard he's talking to devils. Or jinn. You choose.
Come and get it, loser!
All right, let me hear the loudest scream you got.
Come and get it, loser!
That was
The
good.
voice crack.
I love the voice crack. It's amazing.
Offerings to the gods! Afraid your clan will lose a battle? Afraid your clan will lose a battle? Give an offering to the god of victory! Is your woman pregnant?
Give an offering for battle. Is your woman pregnant?
That's a rap, eh?
Alright, now say
Ra, 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 pa, pa. What about
It had been passed down from previous generations that the black stone was the only piece of the Kaaba was the funky bunny.
Offerings to the gods! Afraid your clan will lose a battle?
Bro, you stop laughing. I did not laugh. I heard it.
I can tell you a really funny joke if you want to hear it.
Okay.
There, that was it.
Hey, nobody's gonna expect the kid to work with you.
To be working with you.
No.
That was good.
To be working with you.
Yeah.
When do I get to play Spider-Man?
I need pictures of Spider-Man. ASAP, give it to me, pronto.
Exactly.
That's the best Abu Hashim got?
Benu Hashim.
Benu Hashim.
Yeah.
Is that the best Abu Benu. Oh my god.
Why can't we get meat? All we eat is wheat. Hey, I'ma need this heat. I drop bars every day.
Offerings to the gods! Afraid your clan will lose a battle? Give an offering to the god of victory! Is your woman pregnant?
Hello there. Wait, no, that's wrong. Hold on, I gotta get there. It's the granddad from Hey Arnold. You ever watched Hey Arnold?
Hey, Arnold, you are our son. Why would we think that?
Abdul Muttalib, are you suggesting we do nothing?
This is my beginning of my rabbit album.
Hey, Yoda.
Uqba ibn Abu Ma'at.
Abi Mariat.
Hello, my name is Miriam, and that's Bohem.
Ooh. So, you know Ric Flair's? He does that exact whistle. Yeah. Like that? Yeah, that's ooh.
Uqba ibn Abu Ma'at. Abu, why?
Abi.
Am I drunk? I mean, I didn't know if I was drunk or not.
My Persian clothes stained rose when we slice off your nose.
Yeah, let's record that later.
Okay.
My voice crack was terrible today.
Can Allah
You got this. You're doing good.